come out, just twist it to the other side. And number 17. Okay. Come out. So we're gonna do the same the other side. Make sure don't do anything to the brake rotor. Just try to do the easy way. Let me show you. See number 12mm. Just screw it into the small holes, two small holes here. And before we do anything more, let me find my tool. Where my tool go? We need to lose the adjuster for the e-brakes. Up a little bit. Loose. So next, just use the air gun or ratchet or socket, whatever you can have it. Just see it come out very softly. I need to adjust more. What is it? Okay, it's come out very easy. Install it. Okay, just put the rotor back. The way it is. Just swap up a little bit. Perfect. Remember, okay, we need the brake pad shim. Always need it. Always put it. You don't put it, you're gonna hear the squeaking noise come out. Okay. Let me loop the brake caliper slider. Just put some loop for it. Okay. Let's install the brake caliper bracket. let me install the brake pad here to the side. Can you see a little bit clearly? Oh, this one nice and smooth. You see the pad, brake pad moving very smoothly. The pad need to be in out smooth, okay? Not tight, not too much loose, too much tight. No, we don't need it. We need this is good, perfect. Let me install the inner pad. Okay, perfect. It's a perfect one, right? Perfect. So gonna install the brake caliper back. Number 14mm. Okay. Release this one a little bit. Let me tighten up. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, guys, it's all set to go for rear brake pad and rotor. Replace it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Any question, just let me know. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. And sorry guys, I forgot to tell you one important thing, okay? Very important. After you replace the brake pad and rotor every car, okay? After you get it done, just go inside the car, step on the brake panel 4-5 times. Make sure the brake panel nice and tight, nice and high, okay? Don't do after replace the brake pad rotor and you start the engine and go. This is a wrong procedure. It's a very dangerous, extremely dangerous, okay? I just forgot to tell you guys for it. See, make sure after replace the brake pad rotor, go inside the car, pump the brake panel 4-5 times and you good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.